Kundalini Awakening is a lifetime journey and it involves lifetime of investment in self, investment in conscious living, investment in consciousness. It is direct investment in consciousness. I will explain to you how it is in terms of equity. You are equity yourself. If you are going through Kundalini Awakening, this means that Kundalini, the soul, the spirit, the life force in you wants you to invest in your life energy, and your life energy gives you direct return on your investment in the form of happiness, joy, gratitude, love, peace and higher frequencies like appreciation, courage, boldness, strength, power and laughter naturally. If you are going through Kundalini Awakening journey, this means that you have to go through the entire process of Kundalini Ascension and Kundalini Integration. Kundalini Ascension means that Kundalini will unblock through each of your chakras and it will clear the blockages in each chakra by removing all your lower energies stuck in each chakra. For example, your lower energies of fear, grief, agony, shame, blame and anger, pride, jealousy, hatred, all these are stuck in the lower three chakras. And when Kundalini ascends beyond these three chakras, it pierces the heart chakra and it goes through the opening of the throat chakra and reaches third eye, travels its path and ultimately merges with universal consciousness by piercing through the crown chakra. Now this continuous journey of Kundalini ascension cannot happen if you do not provide the essential fuel required for this journey. So what is that essential fuel that your Kundalini needs? The essential fuel is the prana. On the physical level, it is the oxygen that your cells receive through breathing, but oxygen is itself the carrier of prana and prana is itself the carrier of Kundalini. This means that when you supply oxygen to your brain and your nervous system and your entire body, this means that you are actually supplying prana to the subtle body, which is actually processed in the more subtlest layer as Kundalini, the life force energy. Now without prana, Kundalini cannot move, and I through different techniques that I teach to my students who are consciously practicing the techniques that I teach them in my presence, and when they practice they get the results. This means that it's a lifetime investment in conscious living. Each moment you have to be conscious with your breath. Each moment you have to be conscious with your eating patterns. If each moment you have to drink consciously. Each moment you have to make sure that no toxicity is getting built up in your body through breathwork practice as well as through evacuation on daily basis. You cannot remain constipated and expect results from Kundalini progress. This means that you have to clear your bowel regularly, you have to sleep well, get nourished where you get the nourishment of ojas in your body. At the same time, you cannot avoid sex and you cannot avoid the basic instincts of life. This means that you have to be conscious with yourself and you have to practice conscious living so that all the elements of life are included in it. And this requires huge investment of your personal time, money and energy in self. So far you have invested in matter and you have expanded in matter beyond limits. But when your soul awakens, she wants you to attend to yourself. She wants you to see who you are. If you get the answers to these two prominent questions, then your life is sorted. First important question is ask yourself who you are. And the second question is get to know what is your life purpose on this planet Earth. If you find the answers to these two questions, then your life is sorted. You are going to go through the Kundalini evolutionary process in a very profound way. But if you are not getting answers to these two questions and you don't have the time, money and energy to invest in yourself, then you are going to suffer through Kundalini psychosis or neurosis issues or sexual neurosis that happens due to suppression of the life force. So if you want to get enriched with the Kundalini teachings, then you can learn through me and implement it in your life to get the results. Thank you and bye-bye.